So RockMax sent me some art skin for AirPods. So these are stickers basically that you put on your AirPods just to give them a little bit of character, a little bit of style. Box-wise, it looks like something you get from Apple, maybe a little off-brand, but some selling points. They got a logo on the bottom, which is nice. It's compatible with, I think, basically every AirPod up to AirPod 4. I don't keep up with tech and whatnot, so to my knowledge, 4 is our current generation of AirPods. So opening it up, please come out. Thank you. So there's this sticker, not sticker, I saw a scan and stick, this card that has some QR codes on videos on how to get these installed, and then we got these, which I'm guessing these are things you put your AirPods in, and that's how the stickers get applied. I'm gonna do some research and I'll be right back. Okay, I just watched a video on both how to install and even uninstall the stickers, so that's nice that they include that that information. Speaking of which, I was wondering if it came with a cloth. It does. You're supposed to use this to clean your AirPods before you apply the stickers, and there's also this glue removal sticker for when you take the stickers off and want to get all the residue off. So I have my AirPod here. Let's get one of these off. So the way this works is you have this, and there's this part which goes in here. This is for AirPods 3 and 4, and then this top one is for AirPods 1 and 2. So they made it so that you're able to work with any I guess generation of AirPod. Just make sure that you get the right one. I believe it goes like, please, like this. Maybe I had it right the first time. Okay, yeah, so there's kind of this cross on the back that helps you arrange it correctly, and it doesn't matter if it's your right or left AirPod. You're able to just put it in and it works. So what you do this is you take this white part off, and then you place your AirPod in the thing, and then you're just supposed to apply. I think we're good to take it off now. I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, it's looking good. So I think once you get it on like that, then you apply some pressure and then take it off. Looks like I didn't apply enough pressure, but so yeah, there's that on there. They have a bunch of different designs besides just these glow-in-the-dark lightning bolt ones. So there's a number to check out. I am going to show you this glow-in-the-dark one in the dark, so let me get there. Okay, so here it is in the dark. Now this is kind of funny to see, just this, floating lightning bolt. Let me get back to, so this isn't just what you're seeing. So a couple of things I want to say about that. I had just opened those the first time, so they weren't, I guess, exposed to too much sunlight. And at first when I took them to a dark room, they weren't glowing too much. So I tried holding them up to a light, and honestly, it didn't take much for it to get that glow. And I thought the glow was honestly not weak, but I think it maybe could have been a bit stronger if you had given it more time in the light. So I think these are pretty cool. Again, a lot of different ones to try, and these glow-in-the-dark ones are pretty cool. So I think if you're wanting to give your AirPods something new, or like, you know, some flare, this is a good way to go. So check out the options and pick some up.